Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the Sun, has a 23-hour day, and takes 23 months to orbit the Sun. It is known for its red color, which is caused by the large amounts of iron in the soil, which has been oxidized, similar to metal rusting here on Earth. Many scientists believe that life may have once lived on Mars. Numerous spacecraft have been sent to observe the planet and have discovered that there used to be oceans and rivers covering most of its surface. Evidence of old lake beds and erosion due to rivers are everywhere. If water once flowed on the planet, then life possibly could have existed. This leads one to ask, what happened to all the water? Mars used to be geologically active, like Earth is now. This means that it used to have a core made of molten iron that generated magnetic field around the planet. However, eventually its core cooled and became mostly solid, destroying its protective magnetic field. After this was gone, the planet had no protection from solar wind, term for radioactive particles emitted in all directions from the Sun, which began slowly blowing away most of the planet's atmosphere. Some of that atmosphere still remains, but this is only at 5% of the atmospheric pressure of Earth, making a spacesuit still necessary. The atmosphere holds a lot of the moisture, so this took most of the water with it. As the atmospheric pressure dropped, the water was no longer able to stay in its liquid form and evaporated. Water, however, is still found frozen on the poles, and it is believed that water remains underneath the surface. This is why Mars has been a constant source of interest for humanity. There is still a chance that life may still exist beneath the surface. Until then, scientists' main goal is to find some sort of proof that life existed there in the first place. NASA currently aims to accomplish a manned mission to Mars in the 2030s so that more studies can be done. Due to Mars's natural resources and relatively calm environment, many people believe this is an excellent place for a colony. A colony on Mars would ensure our species would live forever, because if anything bad happened to Earth, a civilization on Mars might be able to continue and grow. Mars is also known for having the largest mountain in the solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. This volcano is over 21,000 meters tall, dwarfing Mount Everest on Earth, which is only 8,800 meters tall. Mars has two very small moons, Phobos and Deimos, that orbit it. These are believed to be asteroids that got caught by Mars's gravity and began to orbit the planet.